Good morning, everybody. I just want to make a short video about Art Kati concerning about what she was saying about the Gambia, and many people were supporting her in that. This was exactly what I was saying. We have to fight for justice in any case. She was here lambasting, saying all kind of rubbish about the Gambia. People, our brothers or our cousins in the states, we are all in support of her. In 1 week, when she started lambasting Gambia and Africa in general, she earned more followers. That was exactly what I was saying. If you want to have a followers as a black guy or a black American, just be saying rubbish about Africa. Some people are just sitting in America there. Not all of them, but they only want to hear somebody saying bullshit, rubbish about the continent. We are not okay. We are not the best, but we are content with what we have. People come over here, we welcome you, but you can be sitting down there saying rubbish about us, and some people will be applauding you. Now you dance to your own tune. The people who are saying they have been scammed by Art Kati, that is what we pay for. Now I want to see the Art Kati fans come in your 100, come and defend her. Because what she was saying is okay. Then what she did is okay. Calling Gambian fools, hungry, flies, you make fun of that. And when we talk, you feel attacked. Yeah, Chinese are there, Lebanese are there, blah, blah are there. Are there any Chinese, Lebanese or Arab in your country? Come to the continent with respect. It does not mean here when everything is okay. No one say in Africa here we are fine or you can make money here. But you can invest and generate something. Gambia is a small poor country. But we have something that is more than wealth. We are welcoming, we have peace. But that does not mean you can take us for a ride or a fool. Now you see, people were making video against what Art Kati was doing. People sitting in the states are saying, yeah, all what he is saying is okay. It's just like saying everything what people are saying about black American in the hood is okay. Or you think that we don't know what is going on. We know what happened. When the first American repatriated in Liberia, we know what they did. They enslaved their brothers there. But people don't talk about that history a lot because we want to cement and bridge between us and our cousins. But somebody will be sitting down here saying rubbish. All of you will be clapping. Being a white guy, being a black guy. When anybody says something rubbish about the continent, many of our brothers, especially in the state, they will applaud it. Which does not make sense. COVID is here. We are poor. We are a third or a fourth world or a fifth world country, however you might call it. And we are not dying like the first world country. It's not that I'm happy, but I'm just trying to put this straight. Because the nonsense is too much. Art Kati, where are you? Your fans are looking for you. The fans, where is your Art Kati? We want to know. I even see a foolish brother, I don't know, in Rwanda, I don't know, he's in Tanzania, he's staying, an American brother, saying maybe she's been kidnapped by Gambians. Why are we going to kidnap Art Kati for? That is not Gambian culture. Kidnapping and killing, you really had that in Gambia. Since I'm born in the Gambia, I never had somebody being kidnapped. But a brother is sitting down there just to tarnish our image, saying maybe we kidnap her. Now you know why she is hiding. Now you know why she is hiding. Make sure, check yourself before you wreck yourself, before you point finger at anybody else. This is a lesson for all of us. Many of you will only support YouTubers when they start saying rubbish about Africa. This generation is a new generation. You can see in Nigeria, the protest is going on. Change. So the best thing, try to be online and try to be on the right side of history. Let's come together and build each other. You cannot develop Africa. You can come and do your investment and have what you want to have and stuff like that. Yeah, but development of Africa depend on us Africans. And it is coming. Yeah, and who laugh last, laugh the best. I love my AA brothers, American brothers. I love the Caribbeans. I love every black, wherever you might be in the diaspora. We love you. But the continent, we disrespect. When you disrespect us, who will respect us? There is no hatred between here and there. And if there is, then we should try to put it out better. Adkatis and your fans, you have just vindicated us who were speaking against you. We have been vindicated. So let's hope everything go all right. People who have sent their money to her, sorry. Now is your time to check on her and see how she is doing. As you call us, we are foolish, we don't know, we are not educated Gambian and so. Okay, you the educated people who were over there sending money, now do your own things. Yeah, we wish you all the best. And anybody who want to repatriate and come to the continent, you can come. We are not okay. We are not rich like you people, like, like at Kati say, we are, like they always, all foolish people, we are, Now is your time, you see. Man, if people give you, take and appreciate. But you always want to, you want to talk about history, slavery and stuff like that. It's true. It was a dirty trade. Some African play a role in it. That's true. That does not mean all of us play a role in slavery. It's just like the civil rights movement. Many of the heads of the civil rights movement were killed by black people. But that does not mean all people were adhered to it. Recently, this judge who was taking care of this case of this lady, something brown, killed. Look the judgments he gives. And he's a black guy like you. He's an American. Talk about those shit. You have some sellout within you there. But the moment we talk about, black people, they hate us, they sell blah, blah, blah. Even you, it's happening within you yourself there. Man, let's come together and stop this nonsense, We ain't stupid. Stop telling, all, all's rubbish, Yeah, peace out, man. Take care of yourself, guys. You